viewers from all around the world.
We have a special edition video today all about
Winter Olympics! The Winter Olympics start on February 6th.
Now let's turn over to Camila to see if there's any wintry weather heading our way.
Hey AOSR, this is your Eco and Weather reporter here speaking. Today, we're going to be talking about the weather, recent outlooks, what you should be wearing this winter, and the Eco Team updates. So this week will be a little bit sunny and a little bit cloudy, but always remember to wear heavy clothing like hats, jackets. Now, let's talk about recess. We hope this recess we will have much more outdoor recesses. But remember always, the weather can change quickly. Eco Team. This is your usual message from the Eco Team. First, the Eco Team would like to tell you to turn off your lights whenever you're the last one in the room. And then, when you're using a paper and you're done with your sheet, turn it around. Like this, you don't have to waste a lot of papers. And now, you need to recycle correctly. Recycle correctly is important to not damage the world. And remember, whenever you have some scrap paper or cardboard that you don't need, throw it in the trash and don't throw it on the ground. That's littering. And that's all. A small thing can change the world. Thank you. Back to you, girls.
Thanks, Camila.
Now let's turn over to Con.
Hello, Con here, your entertainment reporter, and I'm going to tell you about Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day originated in ancient Rome in about the year 496 after Emperor Claudius executed two different people named Valentine in different years on February 14th, and the Catholic Church honored their martyrdom. That's all for today. Back to you, girls.
Thanks, Con. Hey, Abigail, I have a question.
Is it you want to go to the pool? I'll go get my...
No. It is, who is your favorite Olympic athlete?
Simone Biles.
She's a summer Olympian. We're talking about the Winter Olympics. It doesn't matter.
Okay. Now turn it over to Christiana.
Thank you, girls. Now I'm interviewing a student. What is your favorite Winter Olympic sport?
My favorite Olympic sport is skiing.
Nice, thank you. What is your favorite Winter Olympic sport?
Bobsledding.
Thank you. What is your favorite Winter Olympic sport?
Ice dancing is my favorite.
I agree, thanks.
Thanks.
Back to you, girls.
Thanks, Christiana.
Make sure to stay for a special surprise we have planned for you at the end of the video.
Bye! Good luck, Olympians!